Sir, what are some of the books that you have published?
Okay, miss. I have published almost like half a dozen books, and the most prominent among them is Malayala Brahmin Autochthon Theory. Besides, I have also written a book on the Adi Rajas of Kannur, the present day Kannur, Adi Raja Koyama. And the title of that book is Reflections on the Parameters of Ali Raja, purely from a semantic point of view. That has nothing to do with political or social history, but however, I am on semantics, the root of the word Adi, because they are called Adi Raja Koima as well as Ali Rajas. Mind you, the word Ali Raja has no connection whatsoever with Punjalis, or for that matter, the word Ali is not at all connected with or related to Muhammad Ali, which is a mistaken notion generally current among social historians. Ali comes from the Malayalam root word Aluga. It has something to do with sea and survival law. I don't go much into that. That is a topic for a discussion at some other level, at some other time. Now, another book is uh, um, Romance of the Arrow with Portuguese skills. That is a book that is centered around the Portuguese, early days of Portuguese in Kerala, probably Cochin and Travancore, and not at all Malabar. Gradually, they spread their fans to the Malabar coast upward, basically from Cochin and Porakat in the south near Alapi. Third book is Dimensions, Ghostly Dimensions. The full title of the book is Quantum Leap Across Stairways of Heavens and the Earth. It is not heaven, heavens, plural, because there is what you call matter, antimatter, cyclic, anticyclic rotations. So, heavens means layers. There are layers of galaxies. From that level of point of view, I am talking about heavens, and not one heaven, one hell, but heavens, different dimensions. The question of dimension steps in there. And another book is uh, I don't remember at the moment. There are half a dozen books. So anyway, there's another. I is not my time right for hard thinking. Give me another question.
Sir, what is the central idea of this book called Malayala Brahmin Autothon Theory?
Malayalam Brahmin autochthon theory, no doubt. Of course, a well-researched team. Basically, as you put the question across the table, across confronting me, is theme is the origin and descent, or let's say ethnicity and belongingness of a class of Brahmins. Brahmin is a general term. It encompasses different types of Brahmins, the followers of the Vedic law. But here, but when I say Malayala Brahmin, it is just like say Malayala Kshatriyas. There is what we call Malayala Kshatriya Act concerning the Kshatriyas. Therefore, in similar way, I have adopted the word Malayala Brahmin from that point of view. The point is, they are traced to a fishing, sailing tribe of remote antiquity. Nobody would agree to that. For example, their ancestral habitats. I cite one or two names. Let's say Verlur Illam. Illam, of course, Verlur Illam. Remove the word Illam. Remainder is Verlur. It is fish. Bombay duck they call. It's nothing to do with duck. It's a type of fish. Bombay duck. Pallateri Illam. Pallati also is a fish. Teri also is a fish. Combine both, we call it Pallateri. Similarly, that is my line of approach. Hundreds of names. It's not joke. If you one or two, you can say only casual coincidence, accidental. Letters, alphabets, somehow or other joined together is trying to make something. Hundreds. Moreover, it is not tomfoolery in the sense there is a tradition in Kerala. Even Logan admitted that in his Malabar manual that a tradition regarding the Nambudiri origin also traced to this particular class of people, judged from the fact at marriage time, Panchamani they call it in Sanskrit, they catch husband and wife stand in knee-deep water and improvise a net with a piece of cloth. That fish. Not only that, and the fish is donated to a Brahmajari, only tuning, one who has undergone Brahmacharya and is undergoing Samavartan, whatever it is. That's another topic. Yes, furthermore,
Sir, when did you start writing books
books. Yeah,
and
that's a
as
very
well as
pertinent
articles and
articles is
journals?
one area. I have written in a magazine published by French Marie, Oracle. I don't remember that now. Writing on Namboodiris started because I happened to stay in the house of former Kerala Kalamandalam principal MP at Namboodir, MP Shankaranarayan Namboodir. He belonged to Karikar, though he is now staying in Trichur with his wife people. And now I stayed in the Palasheri, Muthay at the Palasheri Ilam, where we have Dr. Sanju now, Ira. All these people are saying that. That time they are only young boys. It so happened when I started practice and with a holding junior brief to advocate AP Nambudiri, Artipuram Purushottam Nambudiri of Hariko. When I do that, I had an occasion to stay with Nambudiri set of people at Palacheri Ilam. That was a starting point. And I never thought I would be writing a book. Earlier from our house, we have got a Nambudiri connection. It's so Polish, they say, mixed together. In the sense, when I happen to stay there, their marriage, their activities, and certain old traditions which I dug out from the past, all these combined together, I thought, why not I? And also, this is what you call my intuitive thinking. Intuitive, the name of fish so happened. For example, Virti Patali part from Ammat. Ammat is called Kursi. What is that? Age wise, I'm not able to say now. Mudu Kurshimana in Shorno. Kurchi fish. Similarly, Adi fish. Similar, so many follows. Koram Bata. Kora is fish. When they come together, let's say shoal. It is called Pata. Mean Pata. Uplam Bata, Chennai, Pata, Mean Pata. And so many. It's a work for semantics. People who are well versed in language. Just like Kalidas, it just dawned on me. And I got verification from Dr. Pirinjini Narayanan, head of the Department of Sanskrit at Calicut University, retired in 2014. Earlier, we had so strong a connection because of my Caricat connection. I would go to his house, discuss for hours together. We came to a rather strange conclusion. Conclusion is only this. For example, Patrodatillam in Nileshwaram, North, Kanyam North. You have Patrodatillam. It consists of two words, Patrodam. Patradida plus Kangatrodam. Andachari, going by the rules of Andachari, where you end, the next word must start from the ending point. Patradida is the name of fish. It's what we call a fish in Sanskrit. Patra. Then Kangatrodam, start with Tra, Trodam, Patrodam. As simple as that. That's how and many more. Extra more I'm not able to think. Not like olden days. I think in 5 years earlier I would have given you money, I would have talked to you like that. Now, age and time and also for the factors. Yes, they barred me from disclosing the nature of the inquiry so fast. Unless I'm prepared, came prepared, of course that's another matter altogether. Yes.
So, when did you get the inspiration to write all these books?
They didn't come all together. Basically, I've got a flair for writing. I don't know how or why, because my language, I'm basically from Singapore. Raffles School, I'm a product of Raffles School in Singapore. Then you know what Raffles School is. Language is good. And of course, some theme I'm looking for. When my stay at Muthay at the Palasheri Mana just revealed to me, why not start writing? I thought it would be an article. Now, It has come as a book and it's been uploaded in Amazon books and they sell it for $10, 700 rupees, whatever it is. So inspiration is my stay because I got what you call participant observation. I'm staying with them, enjoying with them. There are all activities like Yoga Kshema Sabha, Swajana Sangamam. In all these activities, I mingle with them. And a lot of illam names I used to gather from them. Nowadays, there is what you call Nambudi directory. Simple. Those days, no directory. Only personal contacts. I've been with Arvanjure, Ramantam Plaka. I've been to his illam in Adavanad and Pumuli, Subramanian Nambudi Part. There was a Girimot. There's so many big guns. That's all, not small fries. My game is always big. And I never thought it will come to this level. But play a game, it should be big. There is no quarters. I don't give quarters. Either full or nil. Yes. Another?
Thank you, sir.